Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dan Greer with Clips DOT, and today we're going to be showing you the legacy skills. So this first one we're going to show you is the straight line back. It's where you pull forward until you stop the vehicle, the tester will stop you, then you back straight back through the alley. Super simple. So right here we're going to stop our guy, boom. Now I'm going to flip my camera around so you all see what's going on.
So this one's super simple. All you do is back straight back through a 100-foot alley that's 12 foot wide. This is probably one of the simplest of the legacy tests to do. You just back straight back through it, man. Not super hard. All right, take your time. Don't get in a hurry. It's not a time test no matter where you're at. This is super easy to do. Super slow, I should say. Don't get in a hurry. Let your truck do all the work. You get one free pull-up for this test, as well as one free opportunity to get out of your vehicle and look. So if you're wanting to get out of the vehicle and check for positioning, you're not sure where you are, do that. If I was paying attention where my camera was, it would help. Y'all are going to get to see the whole thing, man. You got to get a better camera operator here. And then when you've completed the exercise, you'll be past that last set of cones. You're going to set the brakes. You're going to sound a horn, meep, meep, to indicate you're finished. Super, super simple. All right.
Boom. Sounds good. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned a lot. Remember, that's legacy. We'll be going over the new modernized test here in just a little bit. Later.